Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bali.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Padma and Legian Bali on Padma Utara Street and Garlic Lane. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, we are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Padma area until Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. Our journey today starts from Padma Utara Street. Yeah, this is Three Brothers Hotel, also Legend Hotel in Padma Bali. Okay, so let's keep walking and update the situation in this area today. Rame ga? Yeah, in this area we already some few trees down there. They walk around on the footpath. They're just really good. See that? Few trees doing shopping. Hello. Shopping time. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are visiting Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Padma and Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Yeah, just make sure watch the video until the end because in this video I will walking through on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. Yeah, the front left side there is Y Bar, the Legend Spot Bar in Padma Bali. Wow. Look busy down there, so many tourists. It's just really good. Let's see closer. I hope you can see the screen inside. Very big screen. They look so happy, they look so busy at Y Bar. They're just really good. Maybe on the street it's not really busy today because they will go to Spot Bar now. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Padma Utara Street.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow, Northeast Sport. Very exercise. Yeah, so loud and so busy down there. So many tourists inside the Y Bar, the most legend spot bar in Padma Bali. Okay guys, let's keep continue walking in Padma area until Legian.
No, I pick.
Hi.
Not reply.
And also in this video I will walking past the poster pub at the front down there. Yeah, it is not really busy on the sidewalk because mostly people they are go to the sport bar to watching the soccer. watching the football, sorry. See, left side and right side. Hello, Masas. Yeah, this is the poster pub. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Yeah, this is the poster. Look, not so busy today. Let's see around here first. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Padma Utara street. Yeah, busy as sport bar, isn't it? Now I will continue walking on Sahadewa street or Garlic Line. So let's see together how busy down there today. If I walking through there, this is Padma Street. Yeah, now I will walk around on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Line. I think now it's school holiday for Australia, but it is not really busy actually. Few trees down there, but not really busy as before. I mean, as the last video I make this in this area, they just very quiet, isn't it? More quiet than a few weeks ago. It's very sad. Okay, let's cross the street. Wow, few trees down there at the hotel. And at the front right side also there is a restaurant down there. Hello, how is Hi, Bugidai brother.
Hey!
Idai mate. Welcome to Bali. Bloody good bintang. Wow.
Bloody cold here.
That's good.
Thank you, brother.
So watching the soccer, the football,
Drink tank, brother.
is better. Have a good day. Yeah, also not really busy in the restaurant. Yeah, because Now it's like no dinner time or not lunch time. Dinner time is coming soon. Usually busy down there in the restaurant. Let's cross the street and let's see around here. Woo! Cute.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Cute boy. Is that boy?
We do.
Oh, hello girl. Looks smart. Yeah, not really busy actually. I just want to tell you how look like the situation at the moment in this area. Also on the right side, you have Petrie down there. That's good.
Yes, one set.
Chubby rabbit, Petrie down there also. That's good. What about Billis? Billis 69. Also not really busy. Where is that? Ah. It's pretty quiet, isn't it? Yeah, finally we already updated in this area today and not really busy. Just for said. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Padma and Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello, how are you?